Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change or edit your age on Tinder. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your Tinder application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on the human icon in the bottom right hand corner and tap on edit profile. As you can see that you can edit your profile pictures, your bio, passion and other information with this edit info page. But you won't be able to find any option to change your age on Tinder. The reason for that is your name and the age are the only piece of your profile and you won't be able to change after creating an account. So if you ever want to update your age on Tinder, the only thing you can do is to delete your Tinder account and start all over again. In order to delete your account, tap the settings button from the profile page, scroll all the way down and tap on the delete account button. Follow the on-screen prompts and once you delete your account for Tinder, create a new account for yourself by following through the sign-up process. While creating your new account, you can now update your correct age, and that is the only way you'll be able to change your age on Tinder. Hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.